Good morning. Say good morning. Good morning, Mr. Halko.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We are going to Baker River.
Yeah.
We're going on the shortest hike today.
Yeah.
5 miles.
Good morning, Mrs. Hunsberger.
Good morning.
It's 5 miles.
Hike, and it's an hour and 7 minutes, the GPS says, to get there.
Okay. We're ready. Are you ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
What do you have?
Up there.
Gonna open it?
Yeah.
What is it?
No, it's raisins.
Say raisin.
Wait there.
Good morning, goats. Buffet.
Yeah.
Well, the roses might be a surprise, guys. I don't
Open
know.
the window. What are your last words?
No last words.
What are your last words?
No.
Find.
Yeah.
What is that? Slug? Let me see. Whoa. It definitely did something over here. It kind of looks like, well, there's definitely 2 there.
Yeah. Maybe they're mating.
Ew. Lunch break!
Lunch break.
Lunch break. What's our view? What do we see? Ooh, pretty. No one wants Daddy's Cheetos.
Open your mouth. Ah, you're eating so much food over there. Nice try.
Is your mouth full of food? The ranger is bringing a toilet to the camp. He's going to install it. It's tricky. Is it muddy? Muddy? Okay, we'll go around. Go. Okay, keep going. It's muddy? Okay, keep going.
Okay, follow Aunt Marty.
Really? Wow, that's really interesting.
Are those Michael John? Yeah.
We found a frog. Is it a frog or a toad?
Where is he?
He's in there. He's right there.
Oh, I see him.
No, do you see the frog?
Toad.
Where is he?
You have to come over here, Marty.
Keep going.
Yeah.
Come over here.
Oh.
He's right
You see
there.
him? Okay.
Oh, we don't want to hit it.
Yep,
We don't
you
want-
jumped.
Not
Uh-oh,
walking.
Daddy. Where's
What?
Noah?
Oh no, where's Noah?
Where is he?
Uh-oh, did Noah run into the forest? Is Noah in the woods?
Where is he?
Did Noah go hiking by himself?
think so.
Uh-oh.
Is he in the car?
Oh, maybe Noah's in the car.
Is he in the woods?
Is he in the woods? Maybe he's with Aunt Susanna.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With Aunt Susanna? Oh, okay, he's up there with Aunt Susanna.
Okay.
Okay, good.
We're back.
We're back.
Did you like hiking?
Yeah.
It was a very successful hike. Noah
Yeah.
hiked for maybe
Yeah.
a little under 2 miles. Oh, are
Oh,
those your
be
hiking
careful.
poles?
Yeah.
You're cute.
You're silly.
And we had a good time.
Silly Noah.
Now back to the farm.
Done.
Oh, we
Go
might
see
do
the
another short
animals.
hike.
Oh, one more hike. Okay, one more hike. Second trail of the day. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. That spot or something.
Fire. Fire.
We're back. Noah's sleeping. It's a beautiful sunny day.
You're skittish. Hey, you. Hey, you.
Nope. They're like, I know what you're trying to do to me. I do not want to be picked up.
Can I pick you up? Can I pick you up? Can I give you some food?
Jenna.
Oh.
Woo!
Jenna did. Is it cold?
I don't know.
I'm assuming so.
Got ya! Ah, give me a kissy! Give me a kissy! Oh!